Mic check, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be live in just 9 minutes and 20 seconds covering the market close. That's right, the market's going to close in a little bit here for the entire weekend. It's Friday the 13th. Are they going to smash us even more? We're going to find out here live in just 9 minutes. Smash the like button if you're ready.
In the borders, I'm a golden and silver stacker on the run. Circle the globe till the treasure's done. You should subscribe. Join the crustacean nation. Yeah, free silver, free gold for the whole foundation. Golden and silver stacker never alone. Never. Turning into stone, you should subscribe. Join the crustacean nation. Free silver and gold for all.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be live covering all the breaking news. We're going to watch the market close together. We're going to be doing a lot of stuff in just 7 minutes and 50 seconds. Smash that like button if you guys are ready and excited. We're about to get going here.
Shine them up, watch the years fall away. Border trains through the midnight haze. Customs line, keep the nerves in place. Secret pockets on inside my coat. Every bar, another little vote.
Ladies and gentlemen, they said we were crazy and insane. They said gold and silver were a thing of the past. Then it went to 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, and 120. I warned you you were going to need intestinal fortitude to see the way path forward. They smashed us down into the 60s, then the 70s. We got back up to the 80s and 90s. Now we're the 80s again. Who has intestinal fortitude? Who is unshaken? Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be live here in just 6 minutes and 40 seconds. Smash the like button if you're ready.
To island drums, every stamp on my page, another drop in the way.
And I just put out the post on X about this live stream. If you guys could go retweet it, repost it, I appreciate it. We're going to be live in just 6 minutes and 15 seconds. Who's ready? Smash the like button. We're going to cover the news, the market close together. Let's go. Five minutes and 30 seconds and we'll be live. Smash that like button if you're excited. 5 minutes and 29 seconds now. Five-minute warning. It's chasing that mill, M-I-L-L. Come on, guys.
Here to say, shiny vibes coming your way. Silver shines, gold's the glow. Stack it high, watch it grow. Giveaways for all, feel the thrill. International stacker chasing that mill.
Let's go.
Coins and bars, rare to find. Treasure hunting, one of a kind. Join the crew, let's explore. Stack up.
I know the time change sucks, doesn't it?
Chasing that mill. Maps and clues, giveaways tonight. Silver dream shining bright. Roll the dice, take a chance. Treasure calls, we're in a dance. Silver shines, gold's the glow. Stack it high, watch it grow. Giveaways for all, feel the thrill. International stacker that mill.
Here we go. 3 minutes and 30 seconds till we're live. Keep smashing that like button here. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Stacker, stacking, strong. Yes. Who's ready?
Chasing that mill. So hit that sub, join the quest. Riches await, you're the best. International stacker, stacking strong. Silver, gold, where you belong. Chasing that mill. Chasing that mill.
Ladies and gentlemen, 2 minutes and 30 seconds till we're live. Here we go.
Crabs are grooving side to side. Ocean waves where dreams collide. Claws are up, the beat we chase. Treasure gleaming, golden space. Get your claws up, don't delay.
2 minute warning, 2 minute warning. If you guys are ready, let's drop a crab in chat right now. It's time for a crab dance. Let's go, bot.
Gold and silver is the key.
Let's go.
Nation, dance with me.
Let's get it.
Gold and silver, who wants it all? Are you ready for the mega gall?
Who's ready for the mega gop? Put mega in chat right now if you're ready for that free silver and gold and copper.
Get your claws up, don't delay. Join the party night and day. Gold and silver is the key. Crustacean nation, dance with me.
Let's go.
Tidal rhythms in the sand, shiny spoils laid by hand. We're the crew, the shell brigade, treasures found, the music's played. Get your claws up in the sky.
Let's go.
International stacker, he's our guy.
Yes.
And silver is the key.
30-second warning, 30-second warning here.
With me.
Let's get it.
Dance with me. Dance with me. Dance with me.
Here we go. We're going to do old school intro, I think. What do you guys think? Old school? Let's do it.
Dance with me.
One stacker on a journey to find silver. International stacker.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was a little teaser for the mega giveaway coming soon. The name's International Stacker, coming to you live from Key West, Florida, where I'm closer to Cuba than a Walmart. 2,000 videos around the world on gold and silver adventures. And guys, if you want to see a big show today, we're only 89 subscribers away from 67,200, and you got to be subscribed anyway to win and enter the mega giveaway. So make sure to do that. And boy, oh boy, guys, did the bankers attack today.
Dudley Smith, a fallen hard with one arm on the top. Oh my God. Oh no, he's not. Major choke slam.
Boy, did they attack today. We went to a high today on silver of 84. There we go. Not 48. $84.51. They smacked us all the way down to $79.42. And right now we're trading a little bit sideways on a red candle of $80.31. Remember, the market's going to close here in about 32 and a half minutes, and the bankers definitely want to finish us under 80 for silver, and they definitely want to finish us under 5,000 for gold. Will they be able to do it? We're going to find out here live together. The silver futures is 80.45 currently, so let's drag this down here. 80.45, about right there. We are in contango, not in backwardation. And the gold today, gold hit a high of about $5,121.93. It hit a low right about 5,000. Let me move this up a little bit. $5,009.59. It's currently trading on a red candle a bit sideways at $5,013.67. And variable stacker in chat saying, is 80 the new 23? Maybe. We'll find out soon. What I can tell you is the gold to silver ratio is currently at 62.34 ounces of silver for every 1 ounce of gold. And the Shanghai Futures Exchange got slammed today as well, guys. I'm sure we're going to be seeing some Article 16 violations flying around in the next week or so. Look at this. It was at a high today of 97.14 and it a low of 91.53. It closed at 93.65. So right now, still a $13.50 premium from the west to the east. That is absolutely insane. And in chat, Intl-Stacker, thanks for being a channel member, saying great video with pawnbroker pickers, man. Thank you, guys. I just released this video earlier today. $400,000 fake gold scam pawn broker picker. They're insane story. It's a great video, guys. And also too, the day before, I released this one, Silver History and Fake Coins Exposed by Prague Dealer. So a lot of fakes going on right now out there in the world, guys. You got to protect yourselves. So go watch those two videos. I think they're pretty good. And we're going to hop right over here. I've got some breaking news to share with you guys. And someone said something about yoga pants. Northampton said at these prices, there's going to be some massive runs on yoga pants. That's funny. And Stupid Stacking saying the miners need the baby gator call. We'll throw a baby gator in there.
I'm going to try to do the baby gator noise. Here we go. How do you do the baby gator noise? Yeah. I don't know. Whoa, whoa, what was that? It was a giant lizard just jumped. That thing was massive. I thought I actually summoned an alligator for a second there.
We'll see if that works. Some scientists say 90% of the time, every time, it turns a red candle to green or a green candle to a BGC. And we're going to break into the news here. So I've got some news here on my X account, formerly known as Twitter. Make sure you guys follow me at Intl-Stacker. International when it fed, unfortunately. And here we go. Academic gold bomb. University of Zurich study just proved it. Portfolios with 15 to 30% and precious metals, mostly gold, but some silver. It mentioned that in the study. Crush pure stocks long term. Since 1972, the data shows $100 in gold turned into $6,000 after taxes and inflation. What about the world with stocks? You're talking about only $3,400. Okay, so look at that, Smashy McSmasherson. This isn't hype. It's hard evidence that stacking physical metals builds real wealth through cycles, crashes, and inflation. So that was since 1972 to now. Crustacean Nation, who's already at 20 to 30% allocation or more? I'm way more than that. How much more are you adding after seeing this? So the full study's right here. It's translated if you guys want to go read that study, but I thought that was interesting. Because I always get that comment, guys. If you would have put it in the stock market, you'd be rich by now. I always get that comment. Okay, next update here, the Triple Threat Friday. Guys, it's Friday the 13th. It's Friday the 13th today, and the bankers are going absolutely crazy. Triple threat Friday. CPI, that's inflation, was hotter than expected. Gross domestic product revised down, and personal income outlays show sticky inflation and slowing growth. Core CPI was up 0.4% today. Inflation not cooling fast. This was 0.3% hotter, worse than expected. Q4 GDP was revised down to 0.7%. It was 1.4%. This was worse than expected. Income up 0.4%, but PCE spending plus 4.4% amid rising costs as expected. This screams stagflation. Prices up, growth down, war and oil risks pushing energy higher. The last time this hit this hard and we actually had real stagflation in the United States, 1979 Iranian oil crisis. What's going on right now, guys? Wait, the Iranian oil crisis in 1979. Oh, we've got something going on right here with the Strait of Hormuz being smacked down. But look at this, guys. I noticed there's a bunch of ships coming down this way. Look, let's see. Bulk carrier, Chinese vessel. So we're going to keep watching the Strait of Hormuz here, but a lot of activity. It is picking up. As we're on a green candle for silver, $80.38. And ladies and gentlemen, just 27 minutes left till this market closes. Are we going to finish on a red candle or a green candle? What do you guys think? Team red or team green? And better yet, are they going to be able to smash us under... that's right. I need to fix this one. Are they going to be able to smash us under 80? That's the question. So let me put this up here. This is where the bankers want us to finish today. They want us to finish below this red line, 80 for silver. Let's go to gold. They want us to finish under 5,000 for gold. I'll put the line there. So what are you guys at the end of the market here, just about 26 minutes away now? Are you team green or are you team red? Currently, both metals are on a green candle. There we go. And you could be team red and not be against gold and silver. It just means you think it's going to hit that. But let's keep copying the news here. And Ida saying, hello, International Stacker and everyone. Thank you all for what you do for the community. Thank you, Ida. And thank you for running that auction tomorrow. Jolly Lollipop, thank you for the super chat saying Iran is negotiating to let some tankers go through. Interesting. Guys, if you're going to Ida's auction tomorrow, put auction in chat right now. Who's going to the St. Jude's auction tomorrow? Let me know. Okay, I just did my... Guys, I'm going horse. I'm streaming so much. I did just spray my throat with some of the Entertainer's Secret. Mrs. IS got that for me. Let's go down here to the next piece of news. Look at this. Sorry I'm late. Fighting bankers in the oil wars, Team Red. Hey, Josh, it's okay. Look at this. USA pushing critical minerals deal. Talks are advancing with the EU and Japan. EU's European Union, in case you didn't know, on price floor and tariffs to counter Chinese dominance. This could set minimum price floors for key metals. Lithium, nickel, copper, rare earths, and silver is a critical mineral and could be in the mix to boost Western supply chains and shield against cheap exports. For stackers, government-backed price floors, to me, is massive bullish signal for silver metals. Here's why. If they do a price floor for this stuff here, and I'll switch to the chart as I'm explaining this. If they do price floors for silver, you're going to see more smelters open in the United States, more refineries, more infrastructure brought here. Remember, to this point, the majority of silver is refined by China. China refines so much silver around the world. So if you set a price floor and say, just say $100, the price floor for silver is $100. It can't go below that. It's government enforced. That will actually make companies go, hey, $100 an ounce, that's actually worth it to build refineries, build smelters and all that. And then we'll get the infrastructure built up here. Traditionally, what's happened is when we're trying to get a sector to grow, you'll have China or India or whoever. They will say it's aluminum. They'll just dump a ton of cheap aluminum on the market. They'll keep doing it until factories close, until the deals close. Then when they're the only show in the shop, so to speak, then they will jack up the price to aluminum. And that's stuff like that's been happening so much. So again, I'm not saying I'm pro price floors. I'm not saying that's the kind of policy I like or enjoy. But what I'm saying is if they do happen and it's being talked about, that is bullish for silver. Hope that makes sense. Bank of America strategist just dropped a bombshell today. Michael Hartnett just warned that markets are starting to look and mirror like the lead up to the 2008 crisis, that big crash in the stock market. And remember, when the stock market crashes, usually gold and silver go down with it initially. But then as people realize it's a true full-blown crash, they start to put their money into gold and silver, and then you'll see it pop back up. Not a financial advisor, just some dude on the internet with crabs. 2008 crash, surging oil prices and mounting private credit risks are the red flags. Rising oil, credit cracks, higher inflation, tighter conditions, earnings pain, and potential stock meltdown. Does that sound familiar to you? Is 2008 2.0 brewing? The article's right there. You can go read it. And in chat, we got Karen saying, what is your take on Garth's prediction? Silver will drop to 70 and further down to 50 before the real run. I haven't seen that prediction, so I'd have to look at that. Josh is saying, I'm ready to short the shark fins. There you go. Josh is saying, buckle up. Ida's saying, I worry that people will panic if the stock market crashes. People are going to panic. It's normal. They're going to do it. And our job is not to panic, to have planned. To have planned for this, and that's why we stack physical gold and silver. One step closer for Maryland to sound money. Look at this. Breaking, another unanimous win for sound money in Maryland. The momentum is officially a tidal wave. SB 309 just passed out of the committee with a unanimous vote, moving Maryland one step closer to eliminating all sales tax on gold and silver. Wow. So that's moving forward there. It, I think, just has to go to the Senate now. So we're going to keep an eye on Maryland. I did live there for a little bit. Oh, and yeah, reminder, guys, I just released this video with pawnbroker pickers today. I think it's pretty good. A lot of people like it, so make sure to watch that. Make sure to watch this other video I just released on Prague the other day, as we are just 11 and a half minutes away from market close. No. 21 and a half minutes. There we go, from market close. And we got a green candle here, silver. Here we go. We're starting to move. We're about to take out our first target here. Let me zoom in a little bit here. Silver's currently at $80.46, and it did just take out our target. It did just take out our first target here. Let me get adjusted. It did just hit $80.52, so our next target's going to be $81. We'll see what happens there. You're going to need a bigger boat for those shark fins, says Armistice Day. That's funny. I've been seeing those memes. Okay, let's go back here to the news. Look at this, guys. Are you still stacking? Jason is. Jason Newling tweeted this at me. Look what he just added. Pretty freaking sweet. Let's see what you guys are saying to me on X, formerly known as Twitter. And guys, make sure you subscribe and please hit the like button. It will help more people find the stream and find the Crustacean Nation. I'm doing a big giveaway soon. And we got What Girl here saying, come on, check out International Stacker and have some fun. Thank you for that. Happy Friday. International Stacker's Life says herbal awareness. Thank you. Charles Vance saying, I was able to bid on a $500 CC Morgan, but now I will use it to buy a 5-ounce bar instead. There you go, Charles. Awesome. Let's go, says Sublime Mad Dog. And guys, I've been seeing this tweet. All day. And the assertion here, and I want to believe it. I don't like Jane Street. They're totally dirty. But the assertion here is that Jane Street, here's the title. Jane Street is dumping $1.5 billion worth of silver right now. So he puts this chart here of SLV, and you do see a big move down because the main market's moving down, and you do see holder name portfolio, and you do see it shows Jane Street. It shows a position of 20,000. What is that? Or 20 million. 20 million. I don't know. I'm going to have to wait for this and get some confirmation. I just don't feel comfortable co-signing that. I need some confirmation. Trust me, I want it to be. I want to be able to say, look at Jane Street manipulating silver just like they did Bitcoin. But we're going to have to wait on that. Look at this. This just posted. Department of Energy announces $500 million to strengthen domestic critical minerals processing and manufacturing. Look at this. I'm going to have to read through this. I'm going to have to see if this helps with gold and silver. Battery materials. So this is probably for lithium. I mean, it could be for silver as well for battery. So I'll have to look into that more, and I'll put a tweet out about it, guys, if it could affect gold and silver. And let's go back here to the chart. Guys, we're closing in just 18 minutes and 15 seconds for the weekend. They desperately, desperately, desperately want us below $80 silver. They desperately want us below $5,000 gold. Let's look at the DXY. This is the dollar index today. 1,000 people on the live stream. Thank you so much. 55 more likes to 300. I know we could do that. Keep smashing it. Well, here's one big reason we're seeing the movement down in gold and silver today. Look at this huge run. Look at this massive run right now on the DXY. Wow. At its lowest, it was 99.91. Now it's 154. So there's one reason we're seeing it. Remember, when the DXY, the dollar index, moves up, that puts bearish pressure on gold and silver. Inversely, when this moves down, it puts bullish. So there's a DXY. Let's check U.S. oil out. Oil is climbing as well. So lately, it seems like the oil and DXY, a lot of the time, have been moving in tandem. So oil is up 98.89, guys. It's headed back towards that hundo mark. Let me mark the 100 here. There you go. So it is just about $1 and what, 10 cents off that mark. So we'll continue to watch that here. And the gold and silver market are closing for the weekend in just 16 minutes and 45 seconds. Now remember, it's going to close for the weekend. It will open back up Sunday evening, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Then at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we'll start to see Tokyo trade. Then at I'm sorry. Daylight savings. 6 p.m. is going to be the Comex opening back up. 8 p.m. is going to be Tokyo starting to trade. 9 p.m. we'll start to see Shanghai Futures Exchange trade again Sunday evening. As silver is pushing higher, maybe that baby gator worked after all, guys. On a green candle, this might turn into a BGC here. $80.51. And we just hit 80.58. That's only about 42 cents off our next target of $81 on silver. Gold's on a pretty decently green candle as well. 5,024.79. Remember, they desperately want this under 5,000. They desperately want silver under 80. If not, they're going to freak out. But we're standing hard. We're standing firm. Who is unshaken? Put unshaken in chat right now. Let's see what you guys are saying on X, formerly known as Twitter here. Okay. Let's go to here. Oh, is the stock market? Oh, in the last 14 days. What's the stock market at today? Let's check real quick. And guys, we are just 85 subscribers away from the next big show, and I've got a big giveaway coming. So make sure you subscribe. And the U.S. stock market today, let's look. Dow Jones is down 119 points. NASDAQ's down 206. S&P's down 40. Bitcoin's around 71,000. People are always asking about Bitcoin, so I'm always updating you guys there. And we're building up here, guys. We might have a decent, okay ending here. We'll see. 14 minutes and 45 seconds. Did you guys like the thumbnail for this stream for Friday the 13th? Was it funny? Did you guys like it? I bought like 10K mining stocks today at least. Nice E-Banks builds. I know. I was looking at the mining stocks today. I'm like, man, I already blew through my budget for the month. I'm like, oh, I want to add more. Ah. Yeah, it's a good buying opportunity for some of those mining stocks for sure today. Okay. I'm trying to see if there's any other last minute updates on you guys for gold and silver here. Bear with me. Channel members, we are going to be doing a war room at the end of the stream. So all channel members, we will be doing a war room. Federal Reserve now available weekly data. Huh. I'm going to follow. I am following the Federal Reserve. I'll have to look into that more. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, this market is going to be closing in about 13 minutes and 20 seconds. I'll go to the chat now. So if you guys have any questions, please ask them, and I'll answer them to the best of my ability. Look at this. Leon says bankers smacking oil, smacking silver, palladium, copper. That's funny. What's this mean for silver, says Elliot Arnold. Oh, and thank you, Dan, for becoming a channel member, Crab Cadet. I really appreciate it. I'll see you soon in the War Room. All channel members get access to the War Room. Live streams here on YouTube for just channel members. And we'll be doing one at the end of the stream. Clothing is not optional. Poet saying, sending a mini carrier of Marines to the east. Yeah, I saw about 5,000 Marines were headed out to the Iranian waters. My miners are still green apart from Hecla. Nice. Nice, Mark. Okay. All right, let's go back here. What is a baby gator? So, Peapod, this channel is like super thick with lore. A lot of channel jokes and memes based off live streams and stuff. And I did a live stream in Boca Raton, Florida. I was giving you guys watch out situations for gold and silver for the week. And there was a sign there for an alligator. And everyone in the chat gets me to do stupid things when I'm live streaming. So you guys convinced me to do the baby gator call. So then I did it, and then we clipped it because it was funny. Because like a giant iguana jumped and gave me a heart attack. And then some scientists in the Crustacean Nation said that they noticed 90% of the time, every time when we do it, it could turn a red candle green or a green candle into a big green candle, a BGC. Ladies and gentlemen, the baby gator.
Okay, I'm going to try to do the baby gator noise. Here we go. How do you do the baby gator noise? I don't know. Whoa, whoa, what was that? It was a giant lizard just jumped. That thing was massive. I thought I actually summoned an alligator for a second there.
I have not had an adrenaline rush like that since my 4-time Crystallite Championships. If you want to find out more about that, you got to subscribe. We're only 84 subscribers away from the next big show here. And $80.56 on a green candle with silver. And ladies and gentlemen, we're coming down to the wire here. 11 more minutes till we're closed. Jimmy Reefer saying, I picked up 1 ounce of gold today because I let the deals dictate my buys. Got it 1% over spot. Thanks for the advice. Awesome job, Jimmy Reefer. And Silver Surfer Coins is saying, what's a better buy based on premiums? Gold is a larger dollar amount. However, it's smaller percentage of total price than silver premiums. It depends what you're buying. And Silver Surfer, you're a channel member, so email me at internationalstacker@gmail.com and make sure you put member in the subject so it filters you for me. And break it down what you're looking at, and I could give you a better answer there. But there's some factors that go into it. How much gold do you have? How much silver do you have? What are the premiums? Because right now you could get some pretty good silver at spot. You could get some good gold at spot. It just depends where you're at and where you're looking. Welcome, Gray Duck Adventures. Thank you for becoming a channel member. I'll be seeing you in the War Room. Check out your new custom channel member emojis. If it's going to be your first War Room, put first War Room in chat right now. And guys, we have just 90 likes till 400, so keep smashing it. As we're on a green candle here, $80.54 for silver with just 9 minutes and 40 seconds to go. Which 2 silver miners are the best to buy? Only 2 miners, says Mr. Bill. I mean, it's tough to say. Like, a safer one might be like SILJ or PSLV. But like, I'll give you 2 of my favorites. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, just some dude on the internet with crabs. 1 second here. Okay, hypothetically, if I was going to sell all my silver stocks, except for 2, I think I would keep AG and I would keep ASM probably. I might even keep SILJ, but probably one of those. FSM is really good as well. So I don't know. You got a couple out of me. Again, those companies could all go to zero. That's why I really recommend physical silver. This stuff right here can't be margin called. This stuff right here can't be liquidated. If a company goes out of business, you still have the silver in your hand. If the price goes to 1 cent, you still have 100 ounces. If the price goes to $1 trillion, you still have 100 ounces. Physical silver, physical gold, like this golden nugget from Australia. That's where my main passion is at, and my main investing is at. As we push higher here on silver, 80.61, headed towards that 81, which was our next target. And whoa, Miss Ida upgraded to Diamond Claws. Thank you so much, Miss Ida. Your name will be added here. Thank you to all the Diamond Claw members on the stream, on the chat. Thank you to all the members. And the question to everyone here right now, who here has Diamond Claws? Who's got them? Diamond Claws. Who's got them? Wow, and Silver Chupacabra Diamond Claws. Whoa. We get a double Diamond Claw. Thank you, Chupacabra. Welcome to the party, Chupacabra. Thank you so much. Yes. And we just pushed even higher here. Silver just hit $80.64 on a green candle here in the last 8 minutes of the market. Gold's on a green candle, 5,019.04. Let's see if we could take out this next target of 81 here real quick. Remember, we're shutting down for the whole weekend. Wow. And again, channel members, all channel members, we will be going to the war room at the end of the stream. I am going to do a live stream tomorrow morning. It's probably going to be a fun live stream, looking at coins, looking at fakes, using my Sigma, stuff like that. But then at the end of it, I'm going to go myself, and I'll bring all the crustaceans with me, and we'll halo drop into Miss Ida's auction for St. Jude's. How's that sound, guys? So you could come party with me in the morning. We'll have a fun time. And then if you're so inclined, you can halo drop with me into Miss Ida's. I think that will be fun. So yes, in the morning I will be live. Probably like 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, something like that. As long as I still have a voice left. Wow. See what else you guys are saying to me here on X, formerly known as Twitter. Josh's new Sigma. Congratulations, Josh. Good job, Josh. Awesome, Josh. Good job. Okay, let's go back here. Face reveal tomorrow morning. No! No! Okay, guys, we've got just 6 minutes. 6 minutes left until this market closes. The bankers are attacking.
Dudley! Smith! A fallen hard with one arm on the top! Oh my God! Oh no, he's not! Major choke slam!
Okay, do you guys want to see my face right now? If you want to see my face right now, put face in chat. Who wants to see it? Who wants to see it? I'm feeling crazy. I'm feeling absolutely crazy. Did you guys see it? Did you see it? Did you see my face? Did you guys see it? That's my true form. That's my true form. That's my true form there. And ladies and gentlemen, the market is closing here in just about 4 minutes and 50 seconds. Yep. 4 minutes and 40 seconds now. I'm reviewing the footage. I want to see how that looked. I'm reviewing the footage. That's so funny. Oh my gosh. Channel members, we will be going to the war room at the end of this, so go nowhere to all the channel members. Oh, KTM wants to fly to the moon. Who wants to fly to the moon? Let's do it.
Fly me to the moon, let me play among the stars.
We'll be to the moon soon. I'm telling you guys, we'll be to the moon soon. $80.51 on a bit of a red candle here. In the final 4 minutes, 3 minutes and 40 or 55 seconds here on the chart. Again, the bankers want us below 80 and they want us below 5,000, but we're staying above both of those right now. So we're going to keep watching this, see what happens here. See if you guys tweeting anything out. Nope, not tweeting anything. I saw your eyes, cool masks, Mark. You have a face only your mother and Miss IS can love. Just check the crude and I flew to the moon with that. Nice, Josh. We are at 80.52 right now. 80.52. And my stream music is being difficult. I'm going to get a different stream music service because this thing has been just airing out on me too much. It's crazy. It's royalty-free music. And lately it's just been on the fritz. It's been, I don't know what it's been. One thing after another. So the music is broken for the stream now. So I'm just going to have to do this with no music. Although I love it. Okay, here we go. We've got about 2 minutes and 45 seconds here in this chart. We're going to watch this here closely. We're going to watch it here closely. Okay. Let's go back to here. Oh, look at that. Jimmy Reefer says, I picked up a BU American Silver Eagle. BU means brilliant uncirculated. 2015 West Point Mint Proof American Silver Eagle for 186. Good or bad? Oh, you got them both for the combined price of 186? Was that both for 186? Is that what that was? If it was both, yeah, that's a great deal. Okay, we're on a green candle here. $80.62. And we've got just 2 minutes left in this market. It does not look like they're going to smash us below 80 and 5,000 respectively. It looks like we are going to hold the line. And guys, I got another copyright notice. This scene right here, I had Twisted Sister, then I had The Who. I got a copyright notice again, so I had to mute it again. So I'm going to do some custom track with the crabs going into the Federal Reserve and stealing the silver bars. But you know what? It's our silver, and we want it now.
It's my silver, and I want it now. My silver, and I want it now. My silver, and I want it now.
If you just joined in, we did cover a bunch of news here at the beginning of the stream, and I got the music working. There we go. We're good. Nice. So if you missed the news, if you watch this back once the stream's over, you'll be sure to see it. And again, I did just release this video earlier. It's with Pawnbroker Pickers, fake $400,000 fake gold scam. So it's a beauty. And thank you, DLDL, for joining the Crustacean Nation. You're now a channel member. Check out your new custom channel member emojis. And I'll be seeing you shortly in the war room. What happens in the war room stays in the war room. Clothing is not optional. Jimmy Reefer, you got both for 186. Good job, man. That's a good deal. You did well on that. You did well on that. 80.64 was the high. And the market is now closed. They close it early on us all the time. Still 30 seconds left, but here we go. We closed out. $80.62 on silver. Gold at 5,020.60. Gold to silver ratio at 62.31. Shanghai gold at 93.65. So 93.65 minus 80.62. So we'll just wash those two out. So it's about a $13 premium from the west to the east. So we did get smashed down today, a big smashy McSmasherson. But let me zoom out here a little bit and show you guys. So there it is. Now let's look at the dollar, respectively. I picked up 30 Canadian silver maples at 80.56. Good buy, right? Yeah, that's a great buy. Good job. Okay, so let's look at this. Silver. Dollar. Do you see how those charts look nearly identical but inverse? Look at that. Do those not look nearly identical but inverse? When the dollar goes up, that's bearish pressure on gold and silver, and vice versa when it goes down. So let's zoom out more here. I mean, look how close those charts look, guys. Is that not pretty dang close? We'll do the same here with oil in a second. And then I'll be answering questions, and then channel members will be going to the war room in about 10 minutes. But those charts look eerily similar. Let's look at oil. Oil's at 99.30, man. Nearly hit that hundo again. Let's see if this chart looks similar to silver. I mean, I'm definitely seeing some similarities there, aren't you? Look at that. Yeah. It looks very similar as well. Jeesh. Inverse DTB on the dollar chart. Yeah, and on oil. Screenshot one chart and flip it over the overlay. Yeah, I might do that off a stream. I'm slick in oil, baby, says Josh. That's funny. If you guys got any questions, put them in chat. Let's see what's going on here in the news. And then I will be taking the channel members to the war room in about 9 minutes here. Make sure you guys smash the like button. We're only, what is that, 16 away from 400. Smash, smash, smasharoo. U.S. natural gas production reached a new record in 2025. Wow, guys, look at Shelby. Wow. Making it rain on the Goblin. Wow, just gifted 10 international stacker memberships. Shelby did. And that went to Barilo, Life in Spain, Romos, Eric, Patrick, Blank Slate, Catfish, Brett, Oribin, Yamantha. Say thank you. Say thank you to Shelby. Thank you so much, Shelby. They're all coming in the war room. You are all going to be able to come into the war room here in just 7 minutes and 40 seconds. And what happens in the war room stays in the war room. Clothing is not optional. You must be fully clothed. Guys, and there's some extreme weather going on in the United States. So if you live somewhere in the United States, just check the weather. Make sure you're not going to be impacted there. Just check the weather. Yeah, thank you for that donation. That was mega. Channel members will be going here in about 7 minutes. Look at this. Japanese yen falls to its weakest level against the U.S. dollar since July 2024. Wow. Thank you again, Shelby. That was epic. Guys, can we chant Shelby's name? Shelby. Shelby. What's inside the entertainer spray, Josh is saying? It's nothing crazy. Here's the ingredients. There is no colloidal silver, if that's what you're wondering. Come on, focus here. That's what's in there. It's supposed to help for like hoarse and dry voice for like entertainers, people that use their voice a lot. Look at Dubai's real estate. Wow. That's the real estate in just 2 weeks. That is crazy. Oh my gosh. Can you show us your favorite coin now? Let's save that for the war room because I'm going to be out of here in 5 minutes and 40 seconds with y'all. So we'll do that in the war room. Everyone's saying this is Jane Street, but I got to look into that more. I got to look in that more. And don't forget, guys, again, I will be live in the morning doing something fun, and we'll go together to Miss Ida's auction. I'll do probably about an hour or half-hour stream, then we'll go to Ida's. That should be fun. Oh, Argenta Silver. I am invested in Argenta. It's AGAGF, I think, though. That's it. Not financial advice. Not financial advice. Welcome to Zach. I'll see you in the war room. Thank you for becoming a crab cadet. Huh. Tesla. And you guys, you got to follow me on X, formerly known as Twitter. I put out breaking news all the time. I'll be doing a bunch tonight and a bunch in the morning. Thank you, Lee Cummings, for becoming a channel member. I'll see you in the war room. Right here, Intl-Stacker. I tweet stuff at all times of the day and nights. So if you want to stay abreast of things going on, that's how to do it. And ladies, we are just 80 subscribers away from the next big show, so make sure you subscribe. Channel members, we'll be going to the war room here in 3 minutes and 45 seconds. All the new channel members right now, check out your new custom channel member emojis. Is it about to be your first war room? Let me know in chat. Thank you, Ryan. I'll look into that. Three minutes into the war room. Look at this from Felix. BlackRock is dumping $2.5 billion in U.S. government bonds. They manage more money than the GDP of Japan, Germany, and India combined. Wow. The last 2 times they did this, the assets they moved returned 300% to 400% over the following 5 years. Wow. That's crazy. Two minutes and 30 seconds for the war room. Let's go back over here. For those who missed it, I did add these puppies to the giveaway. 10, Silvertown. Silvertown's a premium bar, guys. So that's what they look like. You see the miner and his donkey. And then the back has this little pick. You see the pick? Little pick. 2 minutes, channel members. So that's in the giveaway. Some Germanium Mint gold is in the giveaway. And Germanium Mint just requested something from me. I'm going to be in an official Germanium Mint video. That's pretty cool. Royal Mint. Valcambi. I do need to drop some coffee in here. Hopefully I can get some. We got new thing. We got some 40%, some 90%. I mean, there's already, I think, more than 20 ounces in here. And I've got plans to add a whole lot more. A whole lot more. Do we do 100 pieces of silver for 100,000 subscribers? Is that what we do? What do you guys think? I'll meet you in Germany, says Josh. There you go. Reverend soon, I think. I'll touch base with the company tomorrow. Or I can't. Tomorrow's Saturday. Monday. Soon. Probably within the week. All right, we're going to start the countdown here. All channel members, prepare yourselves for the war room. All channel members, prepare yourselves for the war room. For everyone not going to the war room, I really appreciate you so much. I'll see you in the morning. I'll do a live stream in the morning. Then we'll hit Miss Ida's auction for the children. So that's going to be a fun time. So to everyone not going to the war room, I'll say CYOTNO. Catch you on the next one. Channel members, we're going to the war room in 30 seconds here. You should be taken automatically. You might have to click a button to say go. But for some reason, if you don't go, just go to my channel and click membership. And you should see it pop up in here. You should see the war room pop up in here. So that's what we're about to do here. Thank you, everybody, so much. Have a great night. Have a great weekend. I'll see you tomorrow. I'll see you Sunday evening. I'll be live streaming the market open. We're going in 3, 2, 1. Hold your breath.